How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. This is the all new Infinix GT 30 5G and it is offering a lot of things that normally we don't see on budget devices. As you can see, it's an actual gaming phone that not only looks exactly like its elder brother GT 30 Pro, but it also comes with all the amazing features. First, we have got the exciting GT gaming triggers that will surely level up your gaming experience on a smartphone. It also has that futuristic Cyber Mecha Design 2.0 with a customizable white LED lighting setup that every gamer would love to have. Now coming to the front, we get this gorgeous 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution 144Hz AMOLED display with very thin bezels, and you're definitely gonna love watching content or playing games on this immersive screen. Despite the fact that it's a bigger phone, thanks to the rounded edges, this device feels super comfortable to hold when you're playing games on it. Another thing that adds to the amazing gaming experience is the processor itself. You get the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chip, which is a pretty capable processor considering that it's a budget gaming phone. Along with that, you get a massive 5500 mAh battery which also supports bypass charging, so you can play longer gaming sessions without any heating issues. Even though it's a gaming phone, it still has a pretty decent 64 megapixel dual camera setup on the back that will capture some really good quality pictures too. Guys, there are many incredible things about this smartphone that I'm gonna talk about in this video, and I'll also show you how to get the most out of your brand new Infinix GT 30 5G that is running the XOS 15. So stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Now, since it's a gaming phone, we'll start with some exclusive gaming features and then I'll show you some of the customizations, AI features along with some useful tips and tricks for the XOS 15 that is available on this phone. First, let's talk about the GT triggers that we have on the top left and right corner, and these are actually touch sensitive buttons which you can configure by simply going inside the phone settings, scroll all the way down and then select GT trigger. So this not only helps you to improve your gaming experience, but you can also assign different actions to these touch sensitive buttons. You can double press to open the camera, put your phone in mute, toggle the flashlight, start screen recording and do much more. Now since it's a gaming phone, you get plenty of exclusive gaming features on this. Guys, when you're inside any game, you just need to swipe over from the left corner and it opens the X Boost where you can choose different performance modes. You can then tap on quick access tools. Here you can activate the esports mode. This basically enhances the performance of your phone's CPU and GPU, improves the frame rate, clear all the background activities, and it even improves the touch response too. Block your notifications, incoming calls and alarms as well. So you can definitely try the esports mode when you're gaming. But what's even more exciting is this GT triggers, which we have already talked about. And guys, you can also assign game related actions to these touch sensitive buttons. All you have to do is simply click on add strategy, then choose between three different options, press rapidly or press and release for both left and right trigger. Now you can just drag and place the trigger on that specific action which you want to assign. For example, I have set the left trigger for the drift, and when I press the right trigger, it activates the booster. Now as you can see, when I press the left trigger, it makes my car to drift, and tapping on the right side, it activates the nitro mode. Similarly, you can also assign different set of actions for different games. When you're in Call of Duty or Battlegrounds, you can use one trigger to aim and other trigger to shoot. So this is how the GT triggers works on this phone, and trust me, they are extremely useful. Not just that, we also get this special looking back that gives you a proper gaming vibe, and it incorporates a symmetrical layout with mechanical lines which they are calling Cyber Mecha Design. And we also get some really cool looking mechanical lights on the back. When inside the phone settings, select mechanical lightways, and here you can enable or disable the lighting effect, control the duration, and you can also decide when you want these RGB lights to turn on. You can choose for notifications, calls, music, start of games, charging and more. Now moving on to the software, this phone is running the latest XOS 15 which has a ton of AI features and customizations that you won't probably find on most other Android skins, especially in this price range. I'll show you some of the useful ones. If you go inside settings, here we have ton of AI features. We have Folux Assistant, which is Infinix's own voice assistant like Gemini or Bixby. It can even summarize documents, images and links with just one tap and quickly provide an overview with key points to answer your questions. The interesting thing is you can ask anything from Folux about your current screen and it provides you with results related to it instantly. Then inside the Notes app, we've got support for sketch to images where you can literally draw anything and it converts that into a visual masterpiece. Then there are more AI features such as Call Assistant, Translation Assistant, Social Assistant, Document Assistant, Writing Assistant, AI Note, Recording Summary, Wallpaper Generator, AI Cutout and Circle to Search. We also get Circle to Search on this phone where you simply need to long press on the navigation bar and then circle, scribble or tap anywhere on the screen to quickly search anything on Google. It instantly shows all the information on what you just circled. I also like the Writing Assistant tool where you simply need to long press the text and then click on AI Writing to get some useful writing tools like text generator, proofread, summarize, and you can also rewrite in different tones like friendly, professional and concise. Then we have AI Note that transform your drawing into a captivating work of art. Call Assistant has tools like real-time translation. AI Cutout can help you separate a subject from the background. You can also select any picture from your gallery, long press on the subject and then release it to see options like copy, share or save the cutout directly to your phone. Like this, we've got plenty of useful AI tools built right inside the XOS 15. Next, let me show you some special features of XOS 15 that will further improve your smartphone using experience. Well, if you go into the settings page, scroll all the way down, you'll get this all new special functions feature. When you go inside, you'll get plenty of useful tools that will help you to get the most out of your phone. First, we have got the dynamic bar, and as the name suggests, it works exactly like the dynamic island that we have on iOS. It converts your phone's camera cutout into something more productive. It shows the music playing on your phone, charging animation, game countdown timer, maps, and even screen recording. Then there is this floating window option that lets you open apps in a split screen or a pop-up window using a simple gesture and further improve your multitasking experience. Now let's talk about some home screen customizations and settings. Here we have got some useful options which can be configured as per your need. First we have the home screen mode and you can change that from classic to app drawer. But what's even more interesting here is that you can change the app drawer orientation. By default it is set to vertical view, but if you want, you can change it to horizontal. Now when you are in the app drawer, you can swipe left or right to access all your applications. Then there is something called icon style where you can customize and change the icon color to match your current wallpaper. The themed icons on XOS 15 actually looks beautiful. You can also choose different shapes for your icons, increase or decrease the size as well. Then there is also this feature called X Hide, which is like a private space where you can hide your personal pictures, videos, apps and documents or any other sensitive data. Not only do we have the option to enlarge folders on your home screen, but it even allows you to resize the folders as per your need. So you can change and resize it perfectly to match your home screen layout. You can also customize the folder color too, so there are plenty of options you get to customize your home screen. Next, in the wallpapers section here, not only does it have the AI wallpaper generator that can create some really good looking wallpapers with the help of AI, you just need to choose the style and write a few words describing the wallpaper which you want and then click on this generate button. It will create some beautiful looking wallpapers for your phone that are also exclusive and you won't find them anywhere else. But what's more exciting here is this option called Custom One-Take Wallpaper. This feature takes customization to a whole new level. All you have to do is simply choose a wallpaper from your gallery and then the AI will seamlessly integrate across the AOD, lock screen as well as the home screen. It's like having a cohesive theme that ties everything together, making your phone feel a lot more personal. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some useful tips, tricks and hidden features for your Infinix GT30. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.